are approaching the end of the conveyor.
Number 14 and higher, please board now.
Just as we take off, all laptops will now be switched off and safely stowed into the overhead locker.
The first time that I came to Tenerife was 20 years ago with my friend Damiano, and this year, 20 years later,
We are here.
again. Wow. So where are we now?
In the northwest of the island of Tenerife. We are near Masca. Masca is a lovely place put in a strange, particular, amazing valley, Vulcano Valley, and we have that amazing view to the La Gomera island, and you see here,
Which is that one?
yeah, that one. It's very
Beautiful.
close. It's maybe 20 kilometers. It's probably the second Canary Island for dimension.
Okay, and the first one is Tenerife, right?
No, sorry, the second little island for
Okay.
the archipelagos.
Okay.
Yeah. It's maybe 14 degrees outside, and probably we have one storm
Approaching. Oh my god. Okay, so here's the plan. We have to go out, location scouting real quick.
Yeah.
We have to check what's the best place, the best spot,
Yeah.
not just for the sound, but also like the location wise. We have to be able to set all the equipment. And then we need to capture and play fast because I think it's gonna rain soon.
Yep.
Shall we go?
Here we go.
What was that?
It starts raining. All okay?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah, it's so slippery here.
Yeah, because it's wet.
But no, it's so steep.
Yeah.
All good?
All good, all okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Today we are not lucky because if it was a clear day and we have a great sky view,
Okay.
we can see the sea here, and here also, and the view of the ocean. It's amazing. Unfortunately, it's a rainy day.
So, I think the clouds are gonna come and change soon. Whew. So, we have to act fast because it's about to, it's gonna start to rain, but it's good to check the sounds for now. So, when I press this button, you will hear the sound coming in, from this microphone. You're gonna feel like a dog, okay? You will hear like sounds that you normally
Okay.
don't feel. So don't get scared, don't fall back. Okay? Okay, are you ready?
Wow.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay.
How does it feel? The sounds are a little bit more intense, right?
It's maybe the same with me aircraft headphones.
What? He's a pilot. What kind of pilot?
A Sunday pilot.
A Sunday pilot?
Yes.
What does it mean?
A Sunday.
Only on Sundays?
Yes, because I don't fly a lot.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
So, down here, for example, there are birds. Can you hear them in the mic?
Yeah.
so we can record. So all the sounds that you hear are recorded there.
Yeah.
And if there's something good, we can come back later at this location and play. The reason why we're doing this is to make sure that it's worth, you know, setting up the equipment without losing time. Otherwise, you know, we're just gonna end up like having everything set up and then it's gonna start to rain, or maybe the sounds are not good enough.
So Japanese.
What's that?
Listen.
You can hear?
Yeah.
What do you hear?
A few people talking.
In the distance?
Yeah. But we are, sorry, at 1055 meters.
What?
1055 meters of elevation, approximately 3,100 feet, maybe.
Okay. That's pretty high.
(925.8 millibar) and fall down because they move down.
So it's gonna start to rain soon.
Yeah, it's possible to start to rain, and if you wanted to start quickly to record.
We better do it fast.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. It almost started to rain, right?
Yeah.
And so I got like some drops of water on my touchpad, and it just doesn't work. So I'm using my mouse on my lap. There you go. And then I'm gonna put something over the keyboard so the water is not gonna get in. You ready?
You ready?
The microphone over there, it's ready, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hear?
Here we go.
Let's go. Questo aumenta l'intensità. So if you turn it this way, it's gonna go like. You can play this too, and I'm gonna play this. Yes. I think it's water. We have to go. How do you feel? How was it?
What's a great experience?
Did you like it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
The starter, because it was new for me.
Great.
Yeah.
Let's go.